Changing the primary admin on a Google Workspace account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Sign into Google Admin Console. Log into your Google Admin Console using your admin account credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to admin roles. Step 2. Navigate to Users. Once logged in, locate the User section in the Admin Console dashboard. This is where you can manage all user accounts and their roles. Step 3. Select the user to promote. Find the user you want to promote to primary admin. Click on their name to open their account details and settings. Step 4. Assign admin role. In the User S account settings, look for the Admin Roles and Privileges section. Click on Assign Roles and select the Super Admin role to grant them full admin privileges. Step 5. Save changes. After assigning the new role, make sure to save your changes. The new primary admin will now have access to all administrative features in Google Workspace. After completing these steps, the new primary admin will be ready to manage the Google Workspace account. Always ensure that the new admin is familiar with the responsibilities and features available to them.